they all come into play.
Yeah, for sure. And they need people that get it. And you get it far more than the average person. I think your role has to be clear and has to have somebody that believes in your value and is willing to come alongside and see that develop. And you're a good coach. That's really what you're good at. And how did it go?
Great.
Yep.
Great conversation.
Right, because
really
you could
enjoyed it.
understand his perspective. So you're either going to have to understand each other a lot better.
Yeah, I just really got to see someone with a very different personality than the ones I had seen.
Yeah. I'm a dog trainer and I'm a parent. And I have seen the difference between first-time obedience and get-around obedience for kids. 90% of dog trainers, puppy trainers, put up with eventual obedience.
Doing rafting trips with a theme, like dating couples, like trying to teach guys how to ask a girl out. For any guys that you think would be good for Sammy, just send them to us for a rafting trip, and Pete will give them some coaching.
Yeah, and then we'll put them in stressful situations and determine rafting. Yeah, we'll bring them out of the rafting. Be picky, but also know that most guys won't make it. I mean, really, most guys won't make it. Think of your friends. Think of your friends, and most of them you go, no, they're not marriage material.
Exactly.
There's so many women that are marriage material, but so few guys.